What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2024 Mazda CX-5. So you need to be in the vehicle with either running or the ignition in the on position. Then coming over to the center console, the first thing I'm going to do is press the home button right here. Taking a look at our center screen, that's going to take us to the home screen. Now from here, the only button I'm really going to be using is this joystick right here. So when I say I'm scrolling left or right, I'm just turning this left or right to scroll. And then when I say I'm pressing this button in, I'm just pressing that whole joystick in. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that information is highlighted like that. And then I'm going to press this button in. From this screen is going to be our information screen. I'm going to use that joystick to scroll down to vehicle status monitor and press that button in. From this screen, I'm going to scroll down to vehicle maintenance settings and press that button in. From this screen, I'm going to scroll down to reset service interval, press that button in. That's just asking basically, do I really want to reset it? Scroll up till reset is highlighted and press that button in. And as you can see there, it's been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.